Let's make jerk chicken Caesar salad sandwiches using Divine Cuisine's jerk seasoning and Divine Cuisine's jerk sauce. Complete seasoning, seasoned pepper, salt, Divine Cuisine's jerk rub. Take a little bit of olive oil. This is flour, a little bit of salt, cornstarch. Put your chicken bone in here. And I'm gonna pickle on the oil. Butter our croissants, a little bit of butter and parsley. Panera bread Caesar dressing, shaved Parmesan cheese, and some seasoned pepper. Divine Cuisine jerk sauce. Dress the chicken. Go like that.